Today's video will guide you through how to submit a course to NNAS for processing and for getting the certificates emailed to your candidates. Once you're sure that you have all your candidates booked onto the course, you go to your Event Management tile, find the course that you want to work on. Today mine is this bronze test course, and I need to change its status to draft while I work on it. So I'm going to click the drop down arrow, return it to draft. I now go in to edit the course so that I can complete the quality assurance questions. You can find those all the way down part 5, and this is where you fill in these questions. You name who the course director was. The second question here, we're asking for some information about the route and the description of the terrain used for the course. The course criteria are in the Outdoor Navigation Handbook for Tutors. That gives you a guide as to what we're looking for. So for bronze, for example, the route should contain lots of route choices, handrails, that kind of thing. So please put in some information there. We're not looking for masses, but a few sentences would be very helpful. And you just answer these questions as you go down. There's an area where you should drag and drop the assessment checklist, and then NNAS will hold on to that for a year. That's for when we get audited by the SQA each year. So once that's all filled in, you save the course, and now it's time to give a result for your candidates. So we go to the Manage Booking area, where we can see our 3 candidates on the course. I've already clicked this one as passed. So this is how it looks once you click it as passed. I am going to pass this person, test 1, by clicking on the star. And test 2, I'm going to fail them. They were deferred. They needed to brush up on several parts of the syllabus, and so they're going to be deferred. So there isn't actually a defer option, but there is a fail option. The email that gets sent out to the candidate doesn't say they failed, it says they were unsuccessful, and it says that they should have received detailed feedback from their provider on what they need to work on. So I'm going to click fail. It asks me to give a reason. Now this reason is not seen by the candidate, this is just seen by the club admin, provider admin, and NNAS admin. So I'm just going to put in that for this one. Okay, so that's how it looks. I've got 2 people who passed and 1 person who's deferred. Now I go back to my event management screen, and I make the course status closed for bookings. Oh, I need to publish it first. And then make it closed for bookings. So I've done everything I need to do as a provider here. I've given my candidates a result. I've filled in the QA form. I've dropped the assessment checklist in there as well. And I've set the course closed for bookings. That triggers NNAS admin to take a look and to process the course. Once NNAS admin has processed the course, we will mark it as complete. So if you're wondering, I wonder if that course has been processed and if the certificates have been emailed out, if you find your course and check its status, if it's complete, that's because we've set it as complete and it's been done. Let's just pop into Manage Bookings and see how it looks. So here's your 3 candidates again. As you can see, they've got a little flag next to them. That means that NNAS has processed it. Please don't click the flag, because if you do, as you can see there, you hover over it, changes it back to booked. So you can look at that page and it can tell you that, yeah, the certificates have been sent, but please don't actually alter any of the things there. And that's it.